Now, just like we recommend doing a clash check very frequently, we also recommend that new users in particular should use the audit model command frequently as well. Once again, they can do this every couple of hours. It just takes a few seconds, and they can find out if there are any accumulated modeling errors in their model. It doesn't have to be a clash only, but it can be other kinds of things. But you will basically see them when you do them. So all you need to do is you just select part of the model or the whole model, and you go to your audit model command, and you press the run detailing tests. When you do that, it's going to go through all those objects which you've selected, and it's going to give you a report, and it's going to summarize that report that, okay, there are some objects with invalid geometries, there are some duplicated objects, there are overlapping profiles, etc. So for example, let's go to this duplicated objects over here. You can, once you select that line, you can right click and say select. And when you do that, it's going to select those objects in the background from amongst from the model. And then you can, after you've selected it from there, you can right click over here and say show only. And then it's going to show you only those objects, and then you can zoom in. So for example, it says duplicated objects. So if I select these, you can see that there are two objects over here, one on top of the other. There are two over here as well. There are two, so it looks like they're one, but since they're overlapping. So this audit model will give you different types of errors or warnings. Some of them, so for example, this is more like a warning. It says the column Z direction is not parallel to the global Z direction. So it's just a warning. It obviously it can happen. You can have an inclined column, or it will also give you a warning saying that the column endpoint has a higher elevation than the start point. Once again, something you wouldn't normally expect. So maybe you made a mistake, but maybe it's not. So some of these will be warnings, and some of these will be hard errors. So it's always a good idea to just select your, like I said, select your model, select a part of the model, just like you do a clash check regularly. Also make it a habit to do your audit model regularly as well, so that you ensure that as you go along a particular building, a particular structure, you're always up to date, and you're always working with a valid model.